complete dude. His awesome gear and his awesome hatchet. He's prepared. He's ready for anything. Storm coming, hatchet coming.
So you've bought yourself a PC. You've built yourself a PC. And you put not one, but two of the new NVMe Express Gen 4.0, whatever. The new hype cool guy solid state drives as of June 2023. These are the two that I put in my motherboard. When I built this a month ago and I like booted it, it was like, which drive do you want to boot this off of, the 2 terabyte or the 4 terabyte? And I said the 2 terabyte because I wanted Windows to boot off of this Samsung. When I went in to search for the other drive to store stuff, the only drive that showed up is the 2 terabyte drive, even though it's 1.81. Instead of like solving this problem right away, I just filled up this 2 terabytes of space with a bunch of extra video footage. And now I'm like, oh, I should really take advantage of the 4 terabytes of space I have. Now you might be saying, well, how do you get the other drive, Flip? This video right here is basically going to cover how to activate and utilize your second or third solid state drive once you've installed it. Now there are two ways to get to this. First, you can type hard on down. I'm kidding. Just hard. And look, create and format hard disk partitions. That's one option. You could also right click down here on the start menu and disk management right there. That's another option. Disk management. You will notice the 2 terabyte and the 4 terabyte. That, people, if it's unallocated, that means you can't use it. So we got to allocate the other disk to be able to utilize it. You're gonna just basically right click it, click new simple volume. It's pretty straightforward. This is like the wizard to set it up. Push next. This right here is basically showing you, like, you don't need to mess with it. It's saying this is the max space, right? And yes, those numbers equal. I'm not gonna say it's got more than that. The other drive is labeled C. You can really choose whatever letter you'd like. Whatever strikes your fancy. I'm going to leave it as D though, but you know, you can do whatever you wanted. As far as this is concerned, this file system thing, I don't really know the difference between these, but I looked up another video about it and they said to leave it as NTFS. So sure, that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say to do the same. Volume label here, instead of new volume, you can basically label this drive whatever you want. So I am going to label it the drive that it is. The Western Digital SN850X 4 terabyte. And then boom, next, and then bam, finished. And oh shit, dog. Do you understand? People, I now have 4 terabytes of space I can utilize. But yeah, I'm literally about to like transfer all of these videos that I've been recording from various things over here. But there you go. People, it's as simple as that. There's really nothing else to it. That's just how you set up and utilize a second or third or fourth drive. In the future, I have space for 2 more SSD drives like this, and I'm probably just going to buy another 4 terabyte SN850X. Maybe I'll even buy the 4 terabyte version of the 990 Pro, or who knows, maybe I'll even buy an 8 terabyte SSD drive if it becomes like less than $1,000. We'll see. But yeah, goddamn, you know the spiel, people. Appreciate you watching. Check the channel, leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the fun stuff. Check Twitch and Discord. Both those links are in every description. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bit of different content. Normally I just do gameplay stuff, but I built a $5,000 PC, so you know, PC build video coming soon, unboxing videos coming soon, all that jazz. Thanks for watching. Peace. The enable file and folder compression. I don't know what that means, but I'm pretty sure that if I wanted to enable it later, I'd probably be able to. But it's like, no, you fucked yourself. Now you can never do it again. I'm sure there's some way to do it if I need to. The person I watched the video explaining this about didn't, so I'm not going to.